Happy Sunday, Toppers family, and welcome to another episode of my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore USA and Topperzstore Europe. And this week already started super crazy in our stream, and one of the hats is for sure from this stream because it was sold out nearly very quick, and we would like to thank you guys for your crazy support. All of this would not be possible without you. Without further ado, let's go into this, and I start with Topperzstore USA this week, and my third place is, of course, a Mets hat, and there were some Mets hats this week. Kelly Green UV White Guts, and look at this beauty, Oceanside Blue, and I absolutely love how this chain stitch came out. Chain stitch is something very different, and I really like that. Let me know in the comments if you also like chain stitch, but I really appreciate how good this looks. So shout out to Noera for this. Then we got the 25th anniversary of the Miracle Mats and the Cooperstown Betty on the back. This is my third place this week from Topperzstore USA. My second place this week is this beautiful All-Star Game hat. Again, Kelly Green UV, this time Black Guts. The Atlanta Braves, and look at this side patch. This is different, right? All-Star Game Atlanta 2025. So the upcoming All-Star Game with the gold, with the metallic blue. This looks amazing. Red button, royal blue visor, Kelly Green UV, and you got a current MLB Batterman on the back. The All-Star Game 2025. My second place this week from Topperzstore USA. And my first place this week, oh my god, this beauty came out so good. Gray UV, Black Guts, this Chicago Cubs with the powder blue, and oh my god, look at this. It looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing, this two-tone. The embroidery on this one with the golden outline and the golden star in the front, top. And then we used the All-Star Game 1990 side patch with the different colors here. Red, white, and blue. Beautiful hat. And look at the back. You also got the second part of the new logos. This bear with the guitar and the golden outline. Also in metallic. Beautiful hat. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with my selection or if you have selected other hats or maybe 3 other hats. Let me know in the comments. Now, switching over to Topperzstore Europe, I would like to start with this one. Oh my god, this colorway came out so good. Gray UV, another NHL beauty from the Colorado Avalanche. And I mean, I took a long time for creating those different metallics together on this Avalanche hat. Beautiful NHL All-Star Game 2001. Whew. Look at this, and this is so shiny with this red and this special blue. It looks absolutely amazing. And then you got the NHL shield on the back. Gray UV, Black Guts, the Colorado Avalanche NHL All-Star Game 2001. And now my second place this week, and this is the hat I meant in the intro when we had our stream on Monday. It's crazy, and more of that stuff is coming, so watch out also at Topperzstore USA. We'll get another version there. And oh my god, the Salt Lake Bees with their new logos, and then we got all black or a yellow button, sorry. And then this beautiful Salt Lake Bees baseball side patch. And look at the metallic pewter in the front on the outline. This makes the hat really special. We got a minor league Batterman, flat minor league Batterman on the back. Gray UV, Black Guts, the Salt Lake Bees. Beautiful hat. And this was a crazy drop in our stream on Monday. So make sure you tune in on Monday, because you will always have the advantage to know first when the hats are exactly dropping. So another beautiful NHL, and this is my first place this week from Topperzstore in Europe in team colors, and then added metallic silver, metallic pewter, and look at this crazy one from the Edmonton Oilers. Every time when you turn this around, you can see different shades, and this is one of the craziest logos so far I've seen in the NHL. I absolutely love that. It's sad that they did not use it that long. And then you got the 30th anniversary with this special poppin' orange beautiful hat. And then you got the NHL shield on the back in black and orange, gray UV, black guts. Those were my top 3 hats of the week from Topperzstore in Europe. So let me know in the comments below, which hats did you cop this week? Do you agree with my selection, or have you selected something completely different? I would like to thank you guys for tuning in, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can be part of the Topperzstore family here on YouTube. We are back tomorrow with another live stream, so make sure you tune in because we are dropping crazy hats tomorrow in the stream again, and you will see all the fitted hats that we are dropping over the next week on both stores. And if you liked that video, of course, please hit the like button. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask our customer service. We are always here for you, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the stream. I'm out. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.